Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect your Microsoft Teams with OneDrive, full guide step by step clearly. To connect your Microsoft Teams with OneDrive, start by opening the Microsoft Teams application on your device. Sign in with your Microsoft account if prompted. Once logged in, locate the channel where you want to share or access files. At the top of the channel, click on the Files tab. In the Files section, look for the option labeled Add Cloud Storage. Click on Add Cloud Storage to see a list of available services. Select OneDrive from the list of options. You may be prompted to sign in to your OneDrive account. Enter your credentials and grant any necessary permissions. After successfully signing in, your OneDrive files will now be accessible within Teams. Return to the Files tab to see your OneDrive folder integrated into the channel. You can now upload, share, or collaborate on files directly from OneDrive. To upload a file, click the Upload button and select the file from your device. Alternatively, you can drag and drop files directly into the Teams Files tab. To share a OneDrive file with channel members, click on the file to open it. Then, use the Share button to send a link to the file or invite members to edit. You can set permissions in OneDrive for how others can interact with the file. To access OneDrive files from the Teams app, click on the Files option on the left sidebar. Choose OneDrive to view all your stored files and folders. You can also open files directly within Teams for real-time collaboration. Remember to sync your OneDrive files for offline access if needed. To do this, click on the OneDrive icon in your taskbar and select Settings. In the Settings menu, navigate to the Account tab and make sure to sync with your Teams files. Now, you're ready to use Microsoft Teams and OneDrive together seamlessly. This integration will enhance your collaborative efforts and file management skills. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.